here we are in a new practice of automation too, and today we're going to perform a new scene on Factory IO. This scene is going to be the scene filling tank. We can find it out at this scene, the scene number 3 on the Factory IO menu. And this is a industrial tank, also with measures. Here are the measures. And we have two valves, the valve of charging and the valve of discharging. Also, we have a board where we're going to activate or deactivate the valves, but the intention of this practice is to connect the factory I/O with TIA portal and PLCSIM by performing the action of filling and discharging with timers. So here in the I'm going to show you the code because I found a new function, a new block function, which is this function tank. But also I'm going to explain you guys which is the function of this block in the program, in the ladder diagram. So we have the MHJ PLC lab functions from the S7 1200 version. So this block is very important to us because it is going to enable the connection between the factory I/O and the TIA portal. If I open this block, we're going to see a lot of code. This code is also written in C language. Well, not C language at all, but it's structured programming. And we define all the parts available of the synchronization and the times with the scene. Right. After explaining this, we're going to go into the function block, which is the function tank. And in the function tank, we have available the functions of filling button and discharge button. Both of those are connected to two timers, a timer of t seconds and the other timer of t seconds, with the lights of charging and the light of discharging, and also the filling bulb and the discharge bulb. So I'm going to connect the ladder diagram into the PLC sim and simulate it to see the reaction. And also I'm going to modify the values of the timers just to see and confirm the behavior of this program. So I'm going to upload it to the PLC sim, and after the program detects it, it is going to show me a window where we're going to accept all the terms and all the trusted devices just for load the code into the virtual PLC. And after that, we're going to connect it with the factory I/O. So I'm going to load all this little program into the virtual PLC. Just we need to wait a little. Yes, we need to load, and I'm going to run. And on factory I/O, I'm going to connect it. So in the drivers, I can connect it to PLC sim, and obviously I'm going to make a modification. Just for in the configuration settings, I'm going to the word outputs, I'm going to change it to 1, and this is going to enable me a timer, which is this. And after that, I'm going to connect it with my TIA portal. So I'm going to minimize this screen and I'm going to double window these two programs just to see. I'm going to quit this menu of objects, clicking in here, and obviously I need to enable the cameras. I need to see the electric board just for a better visualization in the project. So here in the TIA portal, I'm going to enable the go online option, but I'm going to click it on here. Yes, I need to consider that as trusted. And we have running the program. And if I run the simulation, I'm going to fill the tank. Just check it out. If I click, it is going to develop in 10 seconds the filling bulb and the light of filling. After these 10 seconds are passed, it is going to end, and I'm going to discharge now. It is discharging, and after discharging, I'm going to rewire all the configurations in the TIA portal. I'm going just to change the timer of the discharge bulb, and I'm going to end it. I'm going to go offline in here. I'm going to end the connection in here. Disconnect, and I'm going to re-upload. So here I'm going to change it to 5 seconds. I'm modifying the filling button just for any activity, but I'm going to re-upload in the PLC sim. So I'm going to close it out. I'm going to recharge now in the PLC sim. It is going to start searching again and loading the code into the new virtual PLC. I'm going to re-upload, and I'm going to consider it as trusted, and it is going to request me that I'm going to load the information of the code in the PLC. After finish it, I'm going to reconnect the driver. So we have the timer. We need to reconnect. We need to go in run mode, the virtual PLC. After that, I'm going to go here in start the RTL simulation. Yes. Again, I'm going to make it a little bigger just to see the real behavior on the bulbs. Yes, we can see it. And if I go again in the simulation, I can just fill it in 5 seconds. It finishes, and I'm going to discharge 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finishes, I'm going to refill the tank. The average seconds is 5. We can add another 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we finally can discharge the tank. Yep. So this is a practical way just to observe the behavior of timers connected also in the virtual PLC and also connected to factory I/O. So thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next deliverable.